Okay, from the given details, we need to find RQS first. So look at this with reasons. So we need to find the angle with reason. There is a chord here. I will draw that here. Circle, there is a chord. This chord is creating two triangles which are subtended on the circumference of the circle in same side. So this is 30 degree. This is also exactly would be 30 degree. This measurement also would be 30 degrees according to chord theorem. 30 degrees chord theorem. Write the chord theorem in simple words. That is enough. What is meant by the chord theorem? There is a chord in the right in this circle. This chord is creating two triangles which are subtended on same side of the circle, because this is just creating two regions. Okay, this region and this region in same side, so these two angles are same. Chord theorem. And next, PSR, that means this angle. This is also simple. All these points P, Q, R, S all are subtended on the circumference of the circle. So this is creating a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles, sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary angles. So since this is 90 degrees, this total also would be 90. Sum of these two, sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral would be 180. Already this opposite angle Q, PQR is 90. So PSR also would be 90 degrees because of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Third one, find the length of line PR. Line PR. And there is another additional detail was given that radius of this circle, radius, that is 5 centimeters. You should recall one more theorem, that if there is a circle, we have a diameter. This diameter, by using this diameter, when you draw a triangle on one side of the semicircle, that will create a right angle. I'll repeat again. There is a circle. This would be our diameter. This diameter will create a right angle in one side of the semicircular triangle. Likewise, since this angle is 90, since this angle and this both are 90, we can conclude this one, this total length, as a diameter. Without, if this is a diameter, this angle would be 90 degrees. In this case, the converse theorem. Since this angle is 90 degree, this would be our diameter. By using that, we can find PR as radius is 5 centimeter. No? 5 plus 5, it would be totally, diameter is 10. Diameter would be 10 centimeters. If PR we know that is 10. If PQ is 8 centimeter, find the length of RQ. This PR is 10 centimeter. We know that PQ is given as 8 centimeters. This angle is 90 degrees. Here there is a right triangle, 8, 10. So by using Pythagorean theorem, you should show your working to find this length of RQ as 6 centimeters. RQ would be 6 centimeters. Then finally, name a triangle which is equiangular to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. So here we have 90 degrees and what are the remaining things? This is 120, that means this is also 120. Equiangular triangle means all three angles of a particular triangle, it has to be equal to another triangle's all three angles. So here we have a 90 degree, and in the next cases for that definitely we need to find the angles. If not, we cannot find the answers. If this is 60, this also. Think about here there is a chord. This is creating two triangles which are subtended on the circumference. This is 60. This is 120. That means this is 60. 60, 60. So in here we have another 60. This is 120. So it would be 120. This is 30. We know this total angle as right angle. If this is 30, this is 60, and this also would be 60. This is 120, 30, so it would be 30. Now let's take a look. PQR. In PQR, one angle is a right angle, another one is 60, another one is 30. Likewise, we have this triangle. Look at this triangle. Equiangular triangles are not equal in area or anything other than that. All the angles are equal to another triangles, all three angles. This is 90, there is a 30, there is a 60. All three angles are similar with another triangles, all three angles. So, equiangular triangle with respect to PQR, it would be PSR, triangle PSR. We found all the other values inside the triangle. From that we obtain 60, 90, 30. Likewise, here we have a pair 60, 90 and 30. So, equiangular triangle would be triangle PSR.